Hello guys and welcome back. Covering a couple of pieces of hot news for you today. Speaking of Ethereum, we're going to be going over a few other things that you should know. If you haven't already, do subscribe, drop a comment, and click that bell icon. Ethereum prices fell below 1,900 as an upgrade of Shanghai actually is starting to approach a little bit more. Now the market value fell from 1,921 to 1,888 over a very short period of time, and that change was seen during the hour leading up to around 8:30 UTC on the 11th of April. But as of 1:30 a.m. on April the 12th, the asset still validated around 1,895, and that change actually represented a loss of about 1% within 24 hours. That fluctuation has been more noticeable by the fact that Bitcoin is up by 2% over the same period of time. Now, meanwhile, the crypto market is up by 1% entirely within the last day or so, and other top 10 tokens are in the green along with it. Now, since Shanghai has been received positively, public sentiment around Shanghai has been quite positive. Now, the feature will allow validators to withdraw staked Ethereum for the first time. 18 million Ethereum is staked at this current moment, and according to Ethereum Foundation, that is. Now, the amount is worth around $34 billion and is a significant portion of Ethereum's $227 billion market cap, which is a very big size or a very big amount of the Ethereum entered circulation. That upgrade could affect the prices, but it's not really clear and you're not really sure about if this unstaked in the long term. Now, it is impossible for a large amount to be unstaked immediately, and in order to prevent major effects in the market, 1,800 validators will be able to unstake Ethereum per day. Shanghai will also introduce some other features unrelated to stake unlocking, but it aims to reduce the gas fees that Ethereum developers pay and make their improvements. The upgrade is scheduled April 12th at 10:27 UTC. Also, Riot defends Bitcoin mining against NYT's false allegations. Now, there was an article by the New York Times that reignited the debate, allowing that Bitcoin mining is a major contributor to environmental change. That's coming from Bitcoinists, but the Riot Platforms, which is a leading Bitcoin mining company, claimed that the New York Times article was full of distortions and falsehoods that was really made to push a political agenda. In response to the New York Times allegations, Riot actually defended the industry and emphasized its commitment to sustainable Bitcoin mining processes. Now, it also argued that Bitcoin provided alternative options for storing value, and particularly during the current banking crisis in the US. But there is a perception that the traditional banking systems may be unstable and quite unreliable. The response emphasizes that Bitcoin mining operations rely on renewable energy sources and have additional benefits for rural communities. Now, they actually claimed, quote, "This is why we're especially disappointed to read a false and distorted view of our company and industry in the article published by the New York Times. Worse still, the New York Times chose to publish the article with information its authors knew to be false, misleading, and ignoring the factual information that we provided to them." The Riot claims that the Texas grid is the cleanest and most renewable energy source grid in the United States, and it further supports their assertion that their operations are sustainable and environmentally responsible. Their response also claimed that the company has been unfairly singled out for criticism, even though they had efforts to operate in an environmentally friendly manner. But the company states that they have participated in programs that support the electrical grid stability. They also concluded with, "We are especially proud that the largest employer in Midland County, Texas, that our dynamic and talented workforce is spurring economic activity and is strengthening the local economy." And as the U.S. regulator continues the crackdown, Hong Kong is expressing support for crypto. Some regulators, like the United States Securities Exchange, the SEC, have turned their back on crypto, but Hong Kong actually is continuing to support the industry, standing firmly in the commitment to become a crypto hub. Now, to be part of the early core contributor of Web3, the government invested Hong Kong $50 million, around 6.5 million US dollars into the island city's 2023 to 2024 budget, and that move was targeted to the Web3 ecosystem. Now, the invested funds were going to be used to boost several necessary sectors that could foster Web3 adoption, including cross-sector business cooperation, organizing workshops, and so forth and so on. But the island project has aided Hong Kong's effort to support emerging technology and strengthening the status of Asia's leading financial center. And Paul Chan actually commented on the Hong Kong's effort toward promoting the crypto industry and said, in order for Web3 to steadily take the road in innovative development, we will adopt a strategy that emphasizes both proper regulation and promoting development. He also mentioned financial security, investor education, and anti-money laundering measures. Kishore Bihindi, an attorney based in Hong Kong, even added that he told Barron that Hong Kong's moves are showcasing the region's aim to become a home to cryptocurrency. Bindi noted that in the future, the Island project could actually turn crypto's application to traditional financial services. Well, for example, like tokenized bonds and securities. Guys, that's all I have for you today. Thank you for watching. Support our channel by subscribing. Drop us a comment. Let us know what you think, and I will see you again next time.